Just got the new E-STOPP electronic emergency brake. They are sponsoring my Corvette build, so I just thought I'd open it up and show everybody what it has in the box here. It's like a control unit with a push button. It'll look super nice in the car. Of course, it's a mechanism. Nice template. And some stickers, instructions, warranty. I'm doing a 6-speed in the car, so this will be super nice. Really clean. Love that. I'm gonna do a bunch of these videos for all the parts that are gonna go on the Corvette also. So if anybody has any questions, send me a message. Facebook, Instagram, Hagen Customs. Thanks.